That's a good example. Let's say you work somewhere. It's at the time of salah. The owner of that business, your boss, whoever is responsible says, you're not allowed to pray. I don't allow you to use this room, this place, to pray. In that case, can you pray there? No, your salah is invalid. Go to another room. Leave, go to another room, go outside, go somewhere else, or just wait until you get home if you have time. But remember, you can't pray if you don't have permission. This is a problem that I personally faced in some airlines, without mentioning any names. Unfortunately, some so-called Islamic airlines ban you from doing the salah by standing, even though Western airlines don't. Anytime I travel on American Airlines, European Airlines, at the appropriate time, if I ask them, once they're done serving the meal, there's not a lot of traffic in the hallways or in some of those corners. Whenever I ask them, they give me permission. In fact, many times they'll take out the curtain for me, just so I can privately pray. But some airlines that belong to some Islamic countries, they've banned that. One particular airline has a full ban on anyone standing in the plane and praying. So in that case, you can't pray while standing because the owner of the airline has not given you permission to do so. So yes, this applies to salah, this also applies to wudu. If that water, you do not have permission to use it, it's an invalid wudu.